It's day 3 of the fruit fast. Woo! Let's go. I feel absolutely amazing. My skin is glowing. My bloating has gone down a whole lot. I've lost weight. My gut health has improved. I'm seeing so many benefits to this fruitarian lifestyle, raw vegan lifestyle, whatever you want to call it. And I'm honestly loving it. You guys know I've been doing these fruit fasts on and off for like a year now. And the benefits of being consistent with this healthy lifestyle is like night and day. I find these fruit fasts to be so sustainable for my lifestyle. I love how you can eat as much fruit as you want and still lose weight. Like you don't have to restrict yourself at all, which makes it so much easier to stick to something like this, especially when you're eating really good, delicious, sweet fruit. It just helps you to just keep going. With that being said, for my third day, I wanted to challenge myself. Are you guys up for a challenge? Because I am. So I want to only drink cold pressed juices for my day 3. So I pretty much meal prepped my juices the evening of day 2, which you're seeing right now, so that everything will be prepped and ready to go for day 3. I chose mainly melons because they are high water content fruits. They're super affordable. You can get tons of juice with melons. And I wanted to just make this fun. So I chose 3 different melons to keep this exciting and vibrant. And it would just make me, it'll just help me to continue to do the all juice day with just, beautiful colored juices and things. So for my first juice, I'm juicing watermelon, Honeycrisp apples, and limes. You really aren't supposed to mix anything with your melons, but I had some fruit I needed to go ahead and juice before it got bad, so I just decided to go ahead and throw those in there, um, which made the juice super delicious and fire. Like them Honeycrisp apples was so good. But I will say, don't make the mistake that I did by not peeling the skin off of your limes. It definitely made my juice a slight bit bitter. So next time or going forward, I would not juice a whole lime in my juice. I would definitely peel it. So don't make the mistake I did, girl. My first time ever doing a fruit fast or cleanse was a few years ago when I did the 24 hours drinking only watermelon juice, which I actually documented here on my YouTube channel. You can find that in my fruit fast playlist. I feel like that was really the start to my healthy lifestyle, juicing and really just cleansing my body. Now, before I did my challenge, I was already juicing regularly, but I was pretty much eating like regular foods. So for someone who is just starting off on their healthy journey, healing journey, I would say to just start off slow. Like I said, my first time I started out doing just 24 hours only drinking watermelon juice. So I would say maybe just start off only drinking your fresh cold pressed juices and eating fruit until noon and then having your healthy lunch and dinner. Just ease into it and take it slow so that you can slowly make this a lifestyle for yourself. Starting off, I wasn't doing fruit fast or cleanse that often. I just slowly worked my way up. And now it is literally my lifestyle. I pretty much juice every single day. And I do these fruit fasts very often and try to eat super clean. Now, I will say I do agree with like the 80-20 rule. 80% of the time you're eating pretty clean. And that's whatever lifestyle you choose. Fruitarian, raw vegan, plant-based, or eating clean meats as well. But the other 20%, I'm still going to have some things that I enjoy. You can find healthier options for the things that you like, but you can still enjoy the things that you love. Oh, it's so good. Okay, so hey y'all, it is about noon the next day. As you guys saw, thought I saw a bug already. Okay, let's see if we can get through this without freaking out about any bugs. But as you guys saw, yesterday evening, which was day 2 of the fruit fast, I basically meal prepped my juices for day 3. It's just going to be straight, fresh, cold pressed juices all day for day 3 of this fruit fast. And so it's noon, and as always, I normally always break my fast at about noon. And so I'm starting on my first juice, which is, I believe it's about 64 ounces. It is so good. Them Honeycrisp apples literally like set this off, in the key limes. Chef's kiss. As I always say, this is like way easier than what you would think it would be. Like, it's way easier. It's day 3. The things I've noticed so far for day 3, I pretty much lost my appetite. I don't have like those extreme cravings or sugar cravings for, you know, candy and just all the stuff that I really don't need to be eating. My cravings have completely like went away. I don't feel hungry. So I think today will be very successful, just drinking juices. A lot of people have been saying, like, how do I go all day just drinking juices or just eating fruit? Like I mentioned in day 2 of the fruit fast, a lot of the fruits and stuff that I pick are very high water content. You know, your melons, I juiced watermelon, honeydew melon, cantaloupe. They're all super high water content. I believe watermelon is like 92 or 94% water. And so as long as you're like consuming a whole lot of juice, you will feel extremely full. Like, you're not just going to be super duper hungry because you're drinking a lot of juice. It has a lot of fiber, a lot of minerals and stuff that your body needs. And so you're not going to be like super duper hungry like you think you would be, because you're getting, you know, the vitamins and things that your body really needs. And so anytime throughout the day, if I do start to feel hungry, I will just, you know, drink more juice. That's why I made so much juice for one day, because whenever I get that urge to eat something, I'm just gonna drink some juice and make sure I fill my stomach up. It's just one day, and I just really, okay. I just really wanted to, you know, challenge myself this time around, instead of most of the days I normally just, you know, eat all fruits, which is really good. I still lose weight, but this time I wanted to just incorporate one of the days just drinking fresh juices, just to really flush out my system. And I pretty much already knew by day 3 I wasn't going to be that hungry, because it's normally like this every time. And so this is like the perfect day to challenge myself with just drinking the juice. And so far so good. I'm feeling great. I hope y'all can hear me good, because it's pretty windy out here. But I've seen a lot of you guys saying y'all are on like day 7 and doing like 14 days and stuff like that. Y'all are literally killing it. I have not done 7 days yet. I want to get to that point where I'm doing 7, then 14, and then 10, you know, more days. But y'all are killing it. And I just love that I have this platform where, you know, I'm sharing all these tips, these health tips and things that have, you know, worked for me. And you guys are trying it, and it's working for you guys. And y'all are just like going for it. So I just love that. Yeah, so I'm super proud of us, you know, for those that are on their, you know, health journeys and just cleansing their bodies and just trying to make, you know, better food choices, better habits for themselves, and just going for, you know, all your goals and stuff. I'm just like super proud of all of us, super proud of you guys. And yeah. Okay, so for my second juice, I juiced honeydew melon, green apples, and limes. This juice was so good. Oh my gosh, it was so delicious. Once I flip back to the day I'm actually doing the juice fast, you all will see once I made it to this second juice, I was so extremely full from my first juice, which was the watermelon juice combination. It was really hard for me to finish all of these juices, but it was perfect already having all my juices prepped and ready to go, so that whenever I did feel hungry, everything was already in the fridge ready for me. And I think I said juice like 1,000 times, but yeah. Okay, so it's about 4:30 or so. I finally finished my watermelon juice. Now I'm on my honeydew melon juice. As you guys saw, I made 2 of these. I'm only on my first one. So my biggest struggle doing this juice, this, only doing drinking juices today, has been consuming all of this juice. So if anything, I have been feeling so extremely full. I do want to drink all this juice because I just want to consume a lot of good stuff and just, flush my system. And so I am going to drink it all, but that has been the biggest challenge. It's already 4:30 and I still have my whole 64 ounces of cantaloupe, so I need to get with it. I've gotten a little busy, doing some other things. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try and finish the 2 honeydew so I can get started on my cantaloupe and finish that before the night is over. And if I don't finish all of it, I mean, that's okay. But the main, point was just to have enough so that I do feel full and don't feel like eating. And so far, I've been so extremely full, like I can't even like finish them. I'll update you guys here in a little bit once I finish my honeydew and start on my cantaloupe. Okay, so here's some footage of me prepping my third juice, which was cantaloupe, cuties, and limes. I really just did some of these combinations because it was just some fruit that I had left over and I needed to just go ahead and juice it. But those cuties with the cantaloupe was literally so good. But I didn't get too much footage of me actually drinking the juice for day 3. And so I'll just quickly tell you guys how it went. So I ended up drinking most of my cantaloupe juice about like 6:30, 7 o'clock. So I did end up finishing all of my juices. So I was super proud of myself. And I was so extremely full. Like I did not think about eating nothing at all that day because I kept myself so full. So I feel like that is literally key to like, these days being successful. Just making sure like if you're eating fruits that you're eating a whole lot of fruit. And if you're doing an all juice day, just drink tons of juice to keep your stomach full. But yeah, I just feel like these fruit fasts have been like literally so life changing for me. It's helped with so many things, so many improvements with, my skin, just mental clarity, mental health, physical health, emotional health, just everything. And obviously, getting closer to God. There's been so many amazing benefits to doing this. I would recommend it to anybody. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Just continuing to support my channel and support my videos. It means a whole lot. In my next video, I'll just be showing you guys like how I break my fast, what plant-based meals I normally eat, and things like that. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like this video. Leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys on my next upload. Bye.